this is Jessica from A Cherry on Top, and today I am showing you the air blower technique using Color Pour Magic. For this painting, I'm using the dirty pour method where all of my paints will be going straight into this cup and then I will flip them onto my canvas. I decided to cover the corners with a little bit of paint. The corners always are the hardest part for the paint to flow over, so sometimes I'll cover up the corners, other times not. Usually they get covered by the flowing paint anyways. Now I've dumped my cup over and I'm just letting it drip off the edges, trying to cover the whole canvas. And now I'm bringing in the air blower. This is the alcohol ink blower from Tim Holtz, and it works perfect for this. You can also use a straw or whatever air blower you have. And I'm just going around my canvas and picking a few sections that I think some extra detail would really work well. The air blower technique makes a huge difference when you are using the Color Pour Magic paint rather than the regular paint. It really creates all of those little cells and you see a big difference. Now I'm adding in some foil flakes from the Color Pour Magic line while my painting is still very wet. Now I let my painting dry completely overnight, and the next day I am using the Color Pour Magic paint pen. This one is the silver. And I am going to outline some of the really detailed areas of my painting, specifically where I used the paint blower. And that is it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more tutorials with Color Pour Magic.